Good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday, the end of June. I don't know, 20 something. Yeah, 27th, I think, possibly. Anyway, the Mercedes is finished. As you can see, this has been a very in-depth project. Took a while. That's why this video is coming so late. So we had to sand down the hood a couple of times, sand down the bumper. It's been a lot of work to get it prepared to where it is right now. But you know, just like all the projects we do, they may take a bit, but they come out really nice, and we take a lot of pride in our work. We do our best with every job that we get in. So this is what we do. So hopefully I can show you some of the hopefully it looks as good in video as it does in person. This is also 3M Gloss Dragonfire Red. Here at STW, we like to use 3M products. I have a 3M certification since 2007. I know I have to go to take the course to get it updated. But yeah, man, vinyl wraps for decades now. That's what the wrinkles or the bags under the eyes. So anyway, blah blah blah. This is the Mercedes. If you need our services, you know where we are. If not, you'll have to Google Maps it because it's a little weird. Our address is 5659 Market Street in Wilmington, but our physical location is on the service road, which is behind the cigar shop in Wilmington, across from the Toyota dealership and by Leonard's. If I didn't just confuse you enough, sorry. Happy Wednesday.